Another day, another story. Cracking the code to financial success. Mastering investments for beginners with insider secrets. And embark on your journey towards financial freedom. Let's dive in and discover the hidden gems of the investment world. But before we start, make sure you grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes on these game-changing tips and strategies. We'll kick things off by debunking common myths about investing that often hold beginners back. It's time to break free from the misconceptions and equip yourself with the truth about building wealth through smart investments. Next, we'll explore the power of compounding and how it can accelerate your wealth growth. By harnessing the magic of compound interest, you'll learn how even small investments can turn into significant returns over time. It's a fundamental concept that every beginner investor needs to understand. Risk management is a crucial aspect of successful investing. We'll unveil expert techniques to assess and manage risks effectively, helping you navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence. From diversification strategies to setting stop-loss orders, you'll have the tools to protect your investments. Ever wondered how to spot lucrative investment opportunities before they become mainstream? We'll share insider secrets on conducting thorough research and analysis to uncover hidden gems that have the potential for exponential growth. Get ready to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on early opportunities. Understanding different investment vehicles is key to building a diversified portfolio. We'll demystify stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment options, helping you make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With this knowledge, you'll be able to construct a well-balanced investment portfolio. One of the biggest hurdles for beginners is overcoming the fear of investing. We'll provide practical strategies to conquer fear and build the confidence needed to take action. Learn how to embrace calculated risks and trust in your investment decisions. As we approach the end of the video, we'll leave you with expert tips on how to stay updated with the latest market trends and news. Discover reliable resources, websites, and tools that will keep you informed and empowered to make intelligent investment choices. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey, and every step counts. By applying the insights and techniques shared in this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the investment landscape with confidence and seize opportunities for financial growth. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow aspiring investors. Let's create a community of empowered individuals working towards their financial goals. Together, we can unlock the secrets of financial success and pave the way for a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to master investments for beginners. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's embark on this life-changing adventure together. Get ready to unlock financial success and watch Unlocking Financial Success. Mastering investments for beginners with insider secrets, now. Thanks for watching.